To be honest with y'all, I'm so sick of doing my hair. Like, I don't even want to do it right now. And this shampoo in my eyes, red, is really making me mad. My ends. Y'all, don't do this if you're trying to become natural and you want your hair to grow. Don't do this. You're never supposed to let your hair like sit like this. It just clumps together and your ends get damaged, and this is how you get split ends, and this is why your hair is not growing. So I just washed my hair, and I'm finna mix up some stuff for my hot oil treatment. And my eyes is red because I got some shampoo in my eye. Both of them. So, yeah. I only washed my hair, I didn't condition, so I'm finna add conditioner to the treatment, okay? So I got this bowl, and I'm just gonna put some in here. To be honest with y'all, I'm so sick of doing my hair. Like, I don't even want to do it right now. And this shampoo in my eyes, red, is really making me mad. So I only shampooed my hair. I'm surprised it looks like this, because normally it be looking, well, never. It looks good, but it feels dry as heck. I promise you. I'm gonna section my hair in 4 sections and then put the stuff on it. I'm not doing my hair for real till tomorrow, so. Finish myself. Okay. So this is my first section. First, I'm gonna apply it to my roots. Then I'm gonna put I'm gonna add more conditioner to my hair because I don't want to use all the oil. So add some more conditioner. If I do this again, I'm not gonna add the conditioner to the mix. I'm gonna put the conditioner on my hair and then add the oil, because it was like separating, I guess, because it might have some water in it or something. That's why it's like repelling. Yeah, the main ingredient is water, so it was repelling the oil. Whatever. Detangle. All right, now I'm gonna twist this section up. I'm gonna do the other 3 sections and then I'll come back because I don't want y'all to be sitting and waiting. It's kind of awkward. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing to all the other sections. I'll see y'all when I'm done. So I'm gonna put this plastic cap on top of my hair and I'm gonna sleep with this. You can sleep with a steamer. I mean, not sleep with a steamer. You can sit under the dryer or you can like do a steamer, but I don't feel like doing that. And I'm gonna sleep just like this tonight and I'll be back tomorrow. Hey everyone, welcome back. It is the next day and I slept with the stuff really like, it's like 1 o'clock right now. My hair, like you can tell, is so moisturized. Like I'm just squeezing it in the cap because I really don't want to take it out. Oh yes, honey. This is what it look like now. This is what my hair looks like now. I rinsed it off with warm water. So this is what it looked like. Definitely feel better than it did yesterday. Yesterday it felt so dry and brittle. I'm gonna try using this brush because I never used it. So I just did a freehand part with my fingers. And I'm gonna clip this up. It probably looks crazy. Who cares? So I'm gonna be using this Creme Nature stuff. I never used it before. Y'all know I'll link it in the description. It's the Twist and Curl Pudding. I was looking for a different product, but I couldn't find it because they went out of business or something. So I can't find it in the store anymore. So yeah. Just putting the product on my hair. Making sure it's fully covered. Then I'm gonna brush it with my brush from Amazon. Okay, so this is what the back 3 look like. And I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I did like 4 rows or 3, I don't know. But this is enough, babe. a twist for this side in the back. And I'm finna finish this last section and then I'll show y'all when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is what my hair looks like. This is pretty much like, I'll say 80% dry. This is what the back looks like. You can tell they're very moisturized just by looking at them. So yeah, this is how I wore them. For now, they're not as tight at the roots, which is fine because this is just to protect the hairstyle to wear my hair in for a couple days. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you come back and hit the notification bell so you can see every time I post. I'm going to be going back to school this week, so my videos coming up will be at school. So the background will be changing again. But yeah, thank you for watching.